what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Philip Russell, aka The Real Slim Shaggy, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the brand new DJI Mic 2. Alright, so as you know, the DJI just released the Mic 2, the full set. I have the 2 transmitter and 1 receiver package, and it comes with the all-in-one ready-to-use, the charging case. It comes with the little wind muffs, all the attachments you need to attach it to different devices. It's Bluetooth capable. Crazy distance you can get out of these things, and if you want a full list you can watch someone else's review of this, but this is just going to be an unboxing, so let's just get into it, shall we? Let me get my knife here. Now I've been sick, so I've been waiting for almost 2 weeks for this. Alright, let's get it open. Alright, so we got a nice carrying case. Get that out of the way. Alright, let's see what we got in here. I'm really interested in what this is. It looks like a little packet of stickers. Oh, they're trying to be like an Apple? They are. Oh my gosh, look at it. Yes, I could put these on my Apple box. Oh my gosh, they got some variety in here. Look at those. Oh my gosh, I love that one. That is it right there. That one. I like the little product one. Yes. I give you 110% on that one, DJI. Alright, so we got the little quick start guides. We are going to just put those over there. Let's get into this cool little case. Look at that. Could you guys look at that? It has like a cool texture. Feels water resistant. So I'm not sure if that's a thing, but let's open it up. Oh yes. Look at that. Yes. Got the little pouch with everything in it. Oh man, now I've heard a lot of creators say that this feels like a tank, and it does. It feels solid. It says it's pressed to unlock. I'm going to undo this. Let's see. It says it's supposed to be charged, and they are. Now here's the click. Let's do some ASMR, ready? Okay, I love it. I love it. One more time. Yes. Wait. Let's do this one. Yes, that's so satisfying. So we got the 2 transmitters ready to go. The glossy. We have the receiver. And 2 little adapters for lightning and USB-C. Ooh, looks like the case needs to be charged. So let's put these guys back in there. Close it up. And let's see, we got USB-A to USB-C. We got some of the adapters. We got the wind muff. 2 wind muffs. One of those little crunchy pads that you should never eat. And we got the adapter. I don't want to take them out, but you can see the, oh, there it is. 3.5 millimeter headphone thing. That is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It's gonna be really quick. And yeah, I can't wait to get to use this. So actually, my very next unboxing video, which make sure you subscribe and smash the like button so you don't miss that, because I'm going to be unboxing one of those secret drops from Peter McKinnon's Pete's Pirate Life drops very next, and I'm going to be using these for my audio. Right now I'm using the DR-10L. So I've been itching to get these open, unboxed, and so I can use them. Hopefully mine doesn't have any defects like I've been hearing. That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you do all the things. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're not already, become a part of, I think I'm gonna change it. I used to be Philosopher Family, but it's like the real Slim Shaggy is my persona now. So leave me down in the comments below what you guys want to be called. Until the next one, just remember, spread love, not hate. When light gets blurry, just your focus. Until next time, peace. Totally missed that one. I'm just gonna go.